Hello, hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls, welcome. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, February the 1st, first day in the month in February. I've already solved these interesting puzzles. The 3 stars and the 4 stars. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the killer, and the tectonic. 5 puzzles I will solve in this additional. But first, this baby binary puzzle number 4062. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's. Same story as before. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. And we have the same situation. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in the same row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And then 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. We need to compare. Yeah. This column and that column. 0011 0011 empty box. 00 empty box 11. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great binary. And I like this one. It's only one time comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the other 2 puzzles, Tectonic and a Killer Sudoku. Bye bye for now.